Hello everyone, this is Shazad and you are watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone lagging problem or how to fix laggy iPhone on iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. First method is to restart your device. So first just simply tap on settings here. Here you can see general and scroll up and you can see shutdown. Tap on it. Here you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be turned off. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn it on and fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another is close the background running app. So for closing background running app, scroll from the bottom and you can see these apps are running in the background. Turn it on or close it to fix laggy problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another solution is clear the Safari history and data. So just simply tap on settings here. Here you can search the Safari and scroll up and you can see clear history and website data. Tap on it. Here you can see clear history. Tap on clear history to clear the history and website data to fix iPhone laggy problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another is check that you have updated or not. So just simply tap on settings here. Here you can see general and you can see software update. Tap on it. Here you can see checking for update. If you have any pending update, download and install it to fix your problem. If this is not working, then we move to another solution. Another solution is remove the widget from the screen. For removing the widget, just simply tap and hold the screen and you can see jiggle the icon. So tap on manage and you can see remove batteries. We just tap on remove to remove the widgets on the screen to fix the laggy problem. If all this solution is not working, then you go to the support.apple.com to fix the iPhone laggy problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.